Now we'll choose the accommodation for each destination. Start by selecting your first stop, Arusha. Here, you'll see a list of all the Arusha properties available under your account. Some of these properties show live availability and support instant booking. That means they're connected directly to the hotel's reservation system. You'll notice a small lightning bolt icon next to properties with live availability. You can use the search tool or scroll through to find your accommodation. For example, if we select Kahawa House, you'll see actual room availability appear. Dark green bars indicate the number of rooms available for the selected night. You can choose specific room types by ticking them, like double or twin, and untick options like family rooms if they're not needed. You can also select a preferred meal plan and rate group. Let's move to the next destination, Lake Manyara. We can pick Manyara's Secret. You can see some properties won't show availability. You'll see a question mark in place of numbers. In those cases, there's no live connection. We've onboarded the property and set up the rates, but the system can't check real-time availability for you. Now let's move on to Taranjaya. We'll select a live connected lodge, Barunge Tented Lodge. Automatically, all room types are ticked to allow more choice when making a booking. If you only want a specific room type, you can choose to untick the rooms that are not required. Now for Serengeti, let's choose one of the live connected properties, Limala Iwanjan by Limala. Arusha is a pass-through day, so it does not require an accommodation. Click Next to move on to experiences.